Welcome to our channel. Today, we discuss something almost everyone has experienced: can't stop thinking about someone. That person who pops into your mind over and over. No matter what you're doing. But why does this happen? And what's going on in your brain? Imagine it. You wake up, and the first thought is them. All day, your mind drifts back. You replay conversations, imagine scenarios, feel excitement or anxiety. That loop in your head isn't just habit, it's chemistry. When you think about someone constantly, your brain's reward system lights up. Dopamine, the feel-good chemical, floods your brain every time you imagine them. It's the same chemical that makes chocolate, music, or even social media so addictive. Your brain starts associating thoughts of this person with pleasure, creating a loop you can't break. And here's something wild: your brain also activates the ventral tegmental area, the same part involved in motivation and craving. That's why your thoughts can feel obsessive. You don't just remember them, you want them, you crave them, and your brain keeps nudging you back. Love, crushes, or obsession isn't just emotional, it's biological. Your prefrontal cortex, which controls decision-making, tries to focus on other things, but your reward system keeps pulling you back. It's like a tug-of-war in your brain, and dopamine is winning. Have you noticed how even small triggers, a text, a memory, a song, can pull you right back? That's because your brain has built strong pathways for these thoughts. The more you think about someone, the stronger these pathways get. Like mental highways, your brain makes it easier to travel the same thought again and again. But here's the hopeful part: your brain is adaptable. Mindfulness, new activities, or even talking through your feelings can weaken these pathways. You can train your brain to notice the thoughts without getting stuck in the loop. Over time, the pull fades, and your mind regains freedom. So next time you can't stop thinking about someone, remember, it's your brain's reward system at work. It's not weakness, it's wiring. And with awareness, you can redirect your focus, regain control, and even enjoy the feelings without being overwhelmed. If this video helped you understand why you can't get someone off your mind, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Have you ever had someone dominate your thoughts? Share your experience, we want to hear it. Remember, your brain is powerful, and understanding it is the first step to mastering your mind.